Imagine you're at your favorite restaurant. You're super hungry. The aroma of delicious food fills the air, making your stomach growl in anticipation. You can almost taste the flavors just by smelling them. You see all the yummy food on the menu. There are so many options, from cheesy pizzas to juicy burgers, and even some exotic dishes you've never tried before. You want to try everything. Your eyes widen with excitement as you imagine the taste of each dish. It's like a food adventure waiting to happen. But how do you get that food from the menu to your tummy? You start to wonder about the magic behind it all. How does it work? That's where the magical waiter comes in. With a sparkle and a smile, the waiter seems to appear out of nowhere, ready to make your food dreams come true. You tell the waiter what you want. You describe your cravings in detail, making sure they understand exactly what you're in the mood for. The waiter listens carefully and writes down your order. They nod and smile, making you feel confident that your meal will be perfect. Then, the waiter takes your order to the kitchen. You watch as they walk away, knowing that your food is now on its way to being made. The kitchen is like a secret room where all the delicious food is made. It's bustling with activity, and you can hear the clanging of pots and pans. The waiter gives the cooks your order. They discuss it briefly, ensuring that every detail is understood. The cooks get to work, making your yummy food just the way you like it. They chop, stir, and season with care, turning simple ingredients into a masterpiece. Finally, the magical waiter brings your food to the table. Your eyes light up as you see the delicious meal in front of you. It's exactly what you wanted, and you can't wait to dig in. You take your first bite, and it's even better than you imagined. The flavors burst in your mouth, and you savor every moment. The magical waiter has made your dining experience truly unforgettable. A magical doorway. Just like that magical waiter, an API is like a special messenger. API stands for Application Programming Interface. That sounds complicated, but it's really not. Think of an API as a magical doorway between different computer programs. It lets them talk to each other and share information. Just like how the waiter helps you talk to the kitchen. These programs can be anything from your favorite app on your phone to websites you visit every day. APIs help them work together seamlessly, just like a well-coordinated team. Let's go back to our restaurant example. Imagine you're craving your favorite dish from that cozy little restaurant down the street. But instead of walking there, you decide to use a food delivery app on your phone. When you order food using an app, you're actually using an API. This might sound technical, but it's quite simple. The app on your phone communicates with the restaurant system through an API, which stands for Application Programming Interface. Think of the app as the restaurant menu you browse through. The API, on the other hand, acts like the waiter who takes your order. Just as you tell the waiter what you want to eat, you select your desired dishes on the app. You choose your food on the app and click order. This action is similar to telling the waiter, "I'd like to have the spaghetti and a side of garlic bread, please." The app then uses an API to send your order to the restaurant's kitchen. It's like the waiter walking over to the kitchen and handing your order slip to the chefs. It's like the waiter taking your order slip to the cooks. The API ensures that the details of your order are accurately conveyed to the restaurant system. The API makes sure your order is delivered correctly, just like the waiter makes sure the cooks get your order right. The waiter might even double-check with the kitchen to ensure everything is perfect. Then, your delicious food is prepared and delivered to you. The chefs cook up your meal, and the delivery person brings it right to your doorstep, just as if you were dining in the restaurant. All thanks to the magic of APIs. They work behind the scenes to make your food ordering experience seamless and enjoyable, ensuring you get exactly what you want, when you want it. Ever wonder how your phone magically knows the weather? It's using an API. Your weather app talks to another computer far away, a weather server, using an API. The weather app asks the server, "What's the weather like today?" Through the API, the server, like a weather expert, sends back information about the temperature, sunshine, and even rain. The API makes it possible for your app to understand this weather information and show it to you in a way you can understand. Amazing, right? Section 5. Why are APIs so special? APIs are like superheroes of the digital world. They swoop in to save the day by making complex tasks simple and efficient. They make our lives easier and more fun by connecting different apps and websites. Imagine trying to navigate the internet without these helpful connectors. It would be like trying to cross a river without a bridge. Imagine if you had to type in all the weather information yourself. Every time you wanted to know the forecast, you'd have to visit multiple websites, gather data, and then piece it all together. That would be boring and take forever. You'd spend more time searching for information than actually using it. But thanks to APIs, you can get that information instantly with just a few taps on your phone. They pull data from various sources and present it to you in a neat, user-friendly format. APIs also help businesses work better and faster. They automate tasks that would otherwise require manual input, freeing up time for employees to focus on more important work. They allow different systems to share information seamlessly, like magic. This seamless integration is crucial for maintaining efficiency and accuracy in today's fast-paced digital world. For example, online stores use APIs to process payments securely. When you make a purchase, the API ensures that your payment information is transmitted safely and quickly. When you buy something online, an API helps your bank talk to the store's system to transfer money safely. This not only speeds up the transaction, but also adds a layer of security, protecting your sensitive information. Developers love APIs because they provide a set of tools and protocols that make building software easier. Instead of starting from scratch, they can use existing APIs to add functionality to their applications. This means that the apps and services you use every day are often built on a foundation of APIs, creating a rich digital ecosystem where everything works together harmoniously. In essence, APIs are the unsung heroes of the digital age. They connect, simplify, and enhance our digital experiences, making the impossible possible with just a few lines of code. Section 6. APIs. Make life easier, like magic. APIs are working behind the scenes, making sure everything runs smoothly. They're like the invisible helpers that make our digital lives so much easier. Imagine if every time you wanted to watch a video online, you had to download a special program just for that video. That would be super annoying. But thanks to APIs, you can watch videos from different websites and apps all in one place. APIs are the secret ingredient that makes our digital world so interconnected and user-friendly. They are the unsung heroes of the internet. Section 7. More magical examples of APIs. APIs are everywhere. When you log into a website using your Facebook or Google account, you're using an API. When you book a flight online, APIs are working behind the scenes to show you available flights and prices. Even when you use a ride-sharing app like Uber or Lyft, APIs are connecting you with nearby drivers and helping you get to your destination. APIs are like the invisible threads that connect all these different services and make them work together seamlessly. Section 8. APIs, the unsung heroes of our digital world. APIs are the unsung heroes of our digital world. They work tirelessly behind the scenes, connecting different applications and services, making our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Next time you use your favorite app, browse a website, or shop online, remember the magic of APIs. They are the silent partners that make it all possible. Section 9. The future is connected, thanks to APIs. As technology continues to evolve, APIs will become even more important in connecting our increasingly digital world. They will power new innovations, create exciting opportunities, and make our lives even more interconnected. So let's hear it for APIs, the magical messengers that make the digital world go round.